The Leave plan of room specialists has found that using our new 101 billion toy, it will be clearly everlasting before that endeavor changes into a reality. On the thin chance that it goes as coordinated, the trip to Proxima B will expect near 20 years. So, reasonably, it will be a seriously drawn-out period of time before we can expect to accept there is certain life on that planet. The JWST, flushed with deals of whether we are really alone in this universe, forges ahead through the James Webb Telescope. It has discovered some unfathomably humanesque things far away from Earth that lead us closer to the response. Our central mission for life beyond us has been uncontrolled throughout each human activity, such a lot that we have endless media works and speculations concerning this matter. Our wonder concerning our spot and significance in the universe has been reliable. It is pervaded inside us to reliably look for a mate. Despite the way in which tantamount we might be, we could get legitimately closer to, anyway, the responses we genuinely need. How are they, in reality, the reactions we are looking for, or are they simply upsetting? Join us as we dismantle the most moderate discoveries in the space of systems and planets on the journey to find something we presumably won't be prepared to see. Lights far away. Experts have found what could be the most significant revelation in history. Back in 2021, when the James Webb Space Telescope was expected to ship off, an especially fascinating theoretical interest was raised about the limits of our advancement. The inquiry was whether, later on, our telescopes could perceive artificial light on another planet, for instance Proxima B, the nearest exoplanet to Earth. Proxima B, around 4.25 light-years away, was seen to be perfectly locked with an incredibly persevering day side and night side, like our moon. A theoretical imaginative upgrade for Proxima B could move power and energy from the day side to the night side, utilizing photovoltaic cells that make power from starlight. In this manner, in a paper with Manis Ving as one of the researchers, it was shown that a striking association of the day side by solar chargers could be connected with future telescopes. Since the JWST was also advanced, it would allow us to develop our journey for artificial lights on exoplanets like Proxima B. Now, the fact that the James Webb Space Telescope did precisely that in 2024, using its higher resolution and greater level of capabilities, is significant. The JWST might have found the lights we were searching for and maybe flung us into one more immense surge of human activity. By large, we should hop into the universe of planets and exoplanets to figure out how this was even possible. James Webb's mission investigates Proxima B and its mysteries. Starting from the beginning of made history, individuals have analyzed the chance of the universe, what we are, where we come from, and where we go. These are conventional but incredibly deeply structured questions that humanity has endeavored to answer. When we acquired awareness in the period of great mechanical improvement, one mulls over whether we are any closer to noticing these requests. If you somehow manage to ask a philosopher, he could say we are at the present time at level 0 of understanding ourselves in the universe. Nonetheless, inquire of a space expert the same question and watch him make the most of his energy as he races to tell you the latest discoveries individuals have made about the universe, utilizing their advanced gadgets. These instruments, however not given a lot of thought by the general populace, are directly an impression of human advancement itself. We by now have the world quickly open, and it's time we push forward and get the universe promptly accessible. Also, one such strategy for doing so isn't entirely firmly established by analysts and space experts. Through the improvement, we tackle and express production of that advancement is now equipped for the new revelation of what might be light on another planet light-years away. Beyond a doubt, we're inspecting the James Webb Space Telescope. The James Webb Space Telescope is the creation considered out of the customs of human endeavors into space to address some ever-present questions. Are we alone? Who's out there? Where do we begin and where do we end? This infrared space science gadget has previously started looking out for these requests, not overcoming the truth that at first, you could get yourself asking what Proxima B is. Proxima Centauri B, or just Proxima B, is here and there times referred to as Alpha Centauri. It is a super-Earth exoplanet and orbits an M-type star. Super-Earths could puzzle you, but don't stress. This text will settle all your burning questions. Super-Earths are a class of planets that are more enormous than Earth but lighter than ice giants like Neptune and Uranus. They are truly one of a kind and can be made of gas, rock, or even a blend of both. Other than their sizes, they can change from twice the size of Earth to a couple of times its mass. Concerning B, it is a super-Earth and an exoplanet, meaning that a planet orbits outside the nearby planetary system. The primary possible confirmation of an exoplanet was seen in 1917. Despite the way it ignited little interest, confirmation came in 1992 with the first certified discovery, which left informed authorities staggered. Another exoplanet first perceived in 1988 was certified in 2003. As of April 1, 2024, there are 5,653 certified exoplanets in 4,161 planetary systems. Of these, 896 systems have more than one planet. These notable discoveries are surrounding an M-type star. To comprehend the M-type star, you genuinely need to figure out the red eclipse. A red dwarf is the tiniest sort of star in the main sequence. Hence the name. In the interconnecting district of the Sun, red dwarfs are by far the most common sort of star considered to be in the Milky Way. They have particularly low brightness, and since brightness is one of our main devices for planet discovery, red small individuals are hard to see. These unnoticeable stars have variable definitions and names depending upon their temperatures and sizes. For instance, M smaller individuals or M-type main sequence stars yield a maximum temperature of around 3000 K, thus getting their name. Regarding B, its mass is known to virtually be undefined from 1.07 Earths. Oddly, it only requires 11.2 days to complete one circle of its star, stood out from our 365.25 days. You can check the size of the star Proxima B is surrounding by considering the entirety electromagnetic reach. The star has a total brightness of as little as around 1.6% of that of the Sun. In addition, in the clear light range, its brightness seems to decrease more. It just shimmers 5 to 6% of the Sun's quality, radiating a much lesser amount of light energy compared to the Sun. More than 85% of its delivered energy is infrared radiation, twirling around about 0.045 to 0.056 astronomical units from its star. Proxima B's discovery was reported back in 2016. You could ask, with regards to why Proxima B, with a large number of stars, planets, and universes, is of such interest. Well, there are a couple of reasons that add to the space experts' advantage here. Specifically, Proxima B is the closest known star to our Sun, by definition. Although 4.2 light-years is a significant number to us Earthlings, in the well-conceived plan of the universe, it is a basic blip. So, why is Proxima B our closest known star high up on the priority list right now? It is part of the triple star system, also called Alpha Centauri. Additionally, Proxima's sparkle being incredibly low, the system itself appears as one of the most splendid constellations in the night sky, just behind two others called Sirius and Corvus. Anyway, the most overwhelming thing about Proxima and Proxima B is that it could truly be tenable, as it falls inside the habitable zone. The potential outcomes surrounding the star are endless, and consequently, space experts have embraced the assignment of researching the depths and limits of the star's suitability. Likely, that is where the James Webb Space Telescope comes in. The 4 essential goals of the JWST are to look for light from the first stars and systems that formed in the universe after the Big Bang, center around the universe's progression and advancement, figure out star and planet advancement, and focus on planetary structures and the origins of life. As the JWST continues its appraisal of the said exoplanet, we draw closer to the peak of these missions, from looking for exoplanets to searching for extraterrestrial life. So what exactly is SETI? One could ask, considering that individuals have forever been an inquisitive species, researching and getting into literally all that moves and doesn't move. It seems okay that a mission like this would appear. That's what, on such a massive scale, one might imagine God has framed an incredible, tremendous adventure. Regardless, with a sprinkle of gold, we are honored with being the ones looking for banners. More specifically, electromagnetic murmurs from human progressions, beyond anything that we could ever imagine. SETI, short for the Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, seems to be the world's most high-stakes round of Find the Stowaway, with our gathering as the searcher and the colossal universe as the seemingly boundless hiding spot. It is one of those fields where scientists are like high-level Sherlocks, tuned into radio waves and scouring for that subtle, we are not alone signal. This cosmic sleuthing started during the 1960s. Frank Drake, an indisputable astrophysicist, was among the first to see radio transmissions from the stars. It was a striking moment. However, no pariahs appeared at his door, at least not yet. Looking for something this gigantic takes patience and can navigate a seriously large number of years. Sometimes much more. Not many conclusive extraterrestrial signs have been found, but notwithstanding these undertakings, the energy continues to grow as the James Webb Space Telescope continues to review exoplanets like Proxima B. A whole field of hope is emerging. Will we suddenly find definitive proof of extraterrestrial life? Or will we just experience stunning signs right outside our ability to understand, giving us more inquiries than answers? The discovery of lights, in truth, could mark the following part of humanity's godlike curiosity, where interest and progress combine into one immense, stimulating space story.